There was a cat who lived near a pond, but as he was old, it was difficult for him to catch them. So he came up with a plan standing by the pond. He walked so this lake will dry up, and no one will I will have to lie by the mat. A crab had on and spread what to the thin the pond the fat panicked and curning crane offered to carry them the butter him to the next morning every as the crab would bite to the bear carrying a fish to pack. He would dator and smash the back against a rock and get. He lost on one fish after another. One day was the crab's instead the crane cried the crab on his back and flew towards the rocks. When the coba, the fish bone lying around, understood the king's plan, he put the crane on a nedi and seen the pips of the other